We hosted a workshop with our panel of investors who shared their experience on how they created triplexes in Toronto. They shared with us all the lessons they learned. They shared with us how they started and where they ended up. And then we have our architect who shares with you the zoning and code requirements on how to create legal triplexes in Toronto. Then I had myself giving a market update and another strategy I like to call one and done. So if you'd like to watch the video, click the link below and you'll fill out the form, and the video link will get sent to your email. If you want to talk about this workshop or any of the details about it, please contact me at beachinvesting.com.